From where we last left off, these updates are normally post-workout. When I started doing burpees, I barely broke a sweat. And right now, all right, cool. So let's talk about JavaScript. JavaScript is different from Java. Sun Microsystems owned the copyright to the word JavaScript. Then they sold it to Oracle, who owned the word Java. It's not legally called JavaScript. It's called ECMAScript, something 29, something. Yes, so let's talk about that and the tree of ECMAScript. All the really dope stuff about a website that you like is usually JavaScript. And for a long time, that was all that it was good for, until Node.js came about. Well, actually, not Node.js, the JavaScript frameworks, because there are quite a number of them. But the one that stood out was Node.js, and it became an industry standard for creating full stack websites. So what does that mean? It means that your server is in JavaScript and not PHP and those other languages. After the JavaScript frameworks became the standard, PHP, which built Facebook originally, fizzled out of existence. And so much so that Facebook created a library for JavaScript. It's different from a framework, because a framework is, they call it an opinionated, what is it called? It's a bunch of code, but then it's put together in a way that is opinionated. Whereas a library is a bunch of code that you can kind of do whatever you want with it, and it's quite flexible. However, as we're going through the JavaScript tree, so you have JavaScript for animations and all that, then you had the frameworks. From there you got Node, and Node then made React possible. It made Angular possible. It made Vue possible. So those are the three major, I want to call them frameworks, because two of them are frameworks and one is a library. And then people started building full stack websites on JavaScript, which made them just dope, like really, really well done. And we based our website on a framework that grew out of the library called React. So the framework is called Next.js. Next.js was created by a company called Vercel, and that's all they had for a long time. But now they're the only people who do React frameworks, because there's some wizardry that they do with hardware on their end that makes hosting it on Vercel the only logical choice if you're using Next.js. Our website was created using Next.js. The beauty of Next.js is that